International Paper has been doing business in Russia since 1999. We've invested $1.5 billion since we've been in Russia. Lots of times when you talk about productivity, you talk about labor productivity. The point I want to make, and I'll be brief, is capital productivity. We have lots of opportunities around the world to invest because there are lots of growth markets, especially the BRIC countries. And we've done a lot of benchmarking around capital productivity, and there are really four factors I want to touch on, one of which Russia is very good at, three of which I think need a lot of attention, and some of the solutions have already been mentioned. The four factors are cost, time to complete, complexity, and execution and performance. And I have to say, in our experience in Russia over the past 10 years, we know how to execute and perform very well. Russia is less expensive than North America, but in terms of aiming for the best, and I think as we look at spending capital around the world, Russia has an opportunity and a challenge. So what can be done? One thing that hasn't been mentioned, I think transparent best practices in terms of how business is done is a big factor. Been a lot of talk about it. I think there's a lot of progress to be made in terms of actually making changes. Clear, consistent regulation. Infrastructure was mentioned, others have mentioned, and education, training, and workforce development. I think those four things will go a long way, kind of bringing the capital productivity of Russia up to the best in the world, and then it will be easier for Russia to attract more foreign direct investment in an important sector, which is manufacturing.